Ever struggle to get your sleeping bag back into the sack? Don't worry, here's the easiest way to fold and pack it like a pro. Most bags these days are easier to stuff than fold, so for the majority of bags, we simply recommend stuffing them. Start at the foot of the bag and work your way up to the top. It should fit in all the way without any issues, and you can tighten it up with the compression straps. That's it, you're done. However, for older bags or cotton sleeping bags, or if your sleeping bag simply won't stuff in, then folding it is going to be the way to go. First, unzip your bag and give it a good shake. Next up, lay it flat and fold it lengthwise, matching up the edges. Neat folds here mean less bulk later. Then start to roll it from the foot of the bag, working towards the top. Keep pressure down as you roll to squeeze out any extra air. And pro tip, use your knees for extra pressure to push out any lingering air if you need to. Finally, it's time to stuff it into the sack. If your sleeping bag is fastened with straps, this part should be easy. Just roll the sleeping bag into its storage sack, same the way you put on a pillowcase. And that's it! Your sleeping bag is packed tight and ready for your next adventure. Follow Wilderness Ties for more camping tips, tricks, and gear reviews.